Once upon a time, a princess was born, and her name was Snow White. She was fearless, fair, brave, and true.
But beauty is never about being pale. It's about letting your skin feel alive, fresh, and radiant, because true beauty is in the life beneath the skin. So today I'll show you how she might get ready in her own magical way. Snow White style.
When I was young, my father's kingdom was kind and fair.
Her eyes carried innocence, but also curiosity. So I'm keeping the eyeshadow soft and light, just enough sparkle to remind us that sometimes the simplest gaze can hold the greatest magic. They say her cheeks were like the first bloom of spring blush, reminds us that we are humans, and we laugh, we will live and isn't that what makes a fairy tale real. The lips as red as rose, as tempting as an apple. The queen feared them, but the world adored them. Red lips are not just beauty, they're courage, they're power, and yes, sometimes even danger.
Magic mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest one of all?
Snow White.
Search the forest, find Snow White.